2, 1.
Alright, you guys, we are gonna go from this to alternative planet E-girl. I literally don't have any idea that how it's gonna look, what I'm doing right now. Also, this is my very first long form video. As this is my very first video, I was very confused about what should I post first. Like, should I do a soft glam makeup look, a bold makeup look, or I should just experiment like e-girl makeup look. And I posted an Insta story asking you guys that which look should I recreate, and I received almost similar replies on soft glam makeup look and e-girl makeup look, but e-girl makeup look won by 4 votes. So here I am today to transform this face into an e-girl. Disclaimer: this is not a tutorial but an attempt. So without a further ado, let's get into the video. Starting off by applying moisturizer, because I don't want my foundation to look like this. If our skin is not hydrated properly, then our makeup may look cakey. Applying foundation. Now let's blend it out. Now let's conceal those dark circles. Now let's move on to the eye makeup. Filling my eyebrows. In the look which I referred to, that girl had very sharp and thin nose, so let's contour her nose. Adding some concealer. Now let's move on to the blush. I know that's too much blush and it's looking kind of weird, but that's okay, we are gonna trust the process. Applying it on the other side too. Trying to blend out my blush a bit. So far, this is how it looks. I think it's turning out good. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's move on to the eye makeup. Rest of the eye makeup I did off camera because it was getting too messy. I hope you don't mind it. Now, ending this look by applying the lipstick. You can rate this look on the scale of 1 to 10 in the comments down below. And that's the final look. Let me know if you guys like it. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Bye. I'll see you in my next one.